Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This video is a bit different. We singgah ICT Mall. So I went to Machines and I bought a few stuff. I've been wanting to get AirPods Pro because I do not have any earpods. I did a survey and it seems that iPod works great. So I bought AirPods and a few other stuff that I would like to show today. Review. The first item that I bought from Machines, which is the AirPods Pro. The second item is the casing for the AirPods Pro casing, and the third item is also an important item and a device that I need, especially during this pandemic. It is the what do you call this? It's a UVC sanitizing capsule box. I saw this on social media about people having this device to sanitize their iPhones, their phones. Okay, let's do an unboxing for these three items, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is the AirPods Pro. This is how the box looks like. So in the box you will get a wireless charging case, a pair of AirPods. Alright, let's unbox this. Okay, in here you will have the instructions and the pot. Okay, I'm actually pretty excited for this. Okay, let's find what do we have in here. Okay, I know that we are expecting this is the charging cable, USB to lightning, and also the earbuds for the AirPods Pro. Okay, so we have this in the box. Let's put this aside. The interesting part. Okay, let's peel this off. And they gorgeous. Alright, so this is for the AirPods Pro. I will give another review after using this for a month or two, my honest review of how I feel about using this AirPods Pro. Okay, I'll be back with another review. Next item. Okay, let's open this case. I bought this at the Machine store too, and it is for 59 ringgit. It is such a clear case for my AirPods Pro. I don't want to get scratches on. Okay, let's open this case. And the brand for this is unique. I believe it's from China. This is how the case looks like. So it's like a silicone case. It is soft, it's not the hard case. So it's soft. It's a silicone kind of feel, and it comes with the what they call this, aluminum carabiner. Okay, let's put my AirPods in here. So it should be here. Okay, it's a temporary casing for me so that I will not scratch the casing of the AirPods Pro. Cool. Is the fun part too. This is the UVC sanitizing capsule box. I've been eyeing for a device like this. It's I found the UV casing for Castify, if I'm not mistaken. The name is Castify, but I found this at the machine store, so should be great too. Let's see. I don't wanna drop it. Okay, let's put the box aside. Oh, okay, so this is the case. I like the look of it. Oh wow, it's so pretty. We can give it a test now though. Okay, so in this box you have the device, the UVC sanitizing capsule box with the USB-C cable. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, there you go. That's the place to put the cable in. So what we do with this device is we take our USB-C cable, and what I'll do is I will connect this capsule box to my power bank. Oops. And turn it on. Okay, right, power bank is turned on, and okay, so let's sanitize my iPhone. So I'll just put it in here, okay, with my new AirPods. Okay, and I'll close it. Oops. Oh, okay, I think I have to remove the casing. Okay, let's remove the casing. Okay, in here, can we close? Okay, so once we close the capsule box, okay, with my AirPods Pro and my iPhone, we press this button over here. Make sure my power bank is on and press the button, and you will see it light up. So meaning it is currently sanitizing your devices in that box, and it will take 8 minutes for the UVC deep sterilization. So there you go. Pretty cool, huh? So we have to make sure the lid is closed for 8 minutes, and when it's 8 minutes you can take your item out from the box and it is sterilized, killed. Good guys. So the lights turn off when you open the lid, and when you close the lid then it works. Okay, that's all for the unboxing video for today. Alright, that's all. Till next time for another unboxing video. Put a comment down below if you're interested to see more unboxing video from me. Thank you for watching, and till then,